This short video cannot be any simpler than this. Get on board to go from point A to point B as quickly as possible. What's the difference between points A and B? Literally, it's the difference between being able to get up in the mornings yearning to tackle the day with confidence, exuberance, and yes, joy. That's joy, by the way, as opposed to facing financial uncertainty, agonizing money worries, and an ever-growing pile of bills you know you can't pay. It's not pleasant to open your eyes each morning knowing that the solution to your money problems, the solution you pray for desperately every night before you try to get any sleep, is still about as close as the moon. Having to figure out clever ways to avoid running into the landlord whose face haunts you all day, and having to make up stories month after month to try and talk your creditors into giving you a little extra time to make your already late payments, is debasing, painful, and drains you of what little self-esteem you may have left in you. Things shouldn't be this way. I'm about to share with you a way out of this dead-end existence. This is the same road I took to escape the grinding shame of living one wrinkled $20 bill away from actual poverty. To escape this trap and to pull myself out of the gutter, I knew I needed to start my own home business. But what kind of business, and how could I afford it? Using nothing but the power of the internet, after months of research, which you will be able to skip if you follow my advice here, I came up with what turned out to be the perfect solution. The right home business that I could start on a shoestring budget that required next to no technical skills, and which is based on the latest buzz or trend to hit the internet since the invention of the ice cream sundae. Have a look right now and find out how I changed my life from a deep tunnel with no end in sight to steady autopilot income and long-awaited prosperity. You deserve this just as much as me. In fact, even more. IamVideotraining.com. That's Internet Marketing Video.